Sylvain, Senior Tech Trainer over at Confection and Mocha. Today, we will show you how to maintain your Opera Touch. To maintain your machine, you will need the following tools: a waste bin bag, a pair of scissors, paintbrush, the key of the unit and the yellow service key, lint-free towels and a soft soap, your products, and paper cups. First, you'll need to unlock the door and then swing open the cup distributor assembly. Next step will be to remove each canisters from the inside the machine, except for the sugar canister. Note that you must lock each canister one by one before pulling the canisters out. Now refill your canisters one at a time. You can fill the sugar canister while it's still inside the machine. Make sure to inspect the cups out of the sleeve before inserting them into the cup distributor. Inspect all the cups and make sure that the spacing is even all the way through and that there is no damage on any of the cups or any of the lids. If so, pull the faulty cup out. Next step, remove the liquid bin out. And also remove the solid waste adapter and bag. Replacing the trash bag. You must first unclip the bag from the adapter and swap the bag out with a brand new one. Empty the liquid bin. Next, you can remove the drip tray and the drip pan. For that matter, you need to unlock both. First, the drip pan from underneath. Next, you must unclip the drip tray from the back and push outward. For that matter, you need to hold the drip tray because it might fall on the ground. Clean the drip tray and the drip plate under hot water. You can use a soft soap and brush off any residues. Once the cleaning has been done, let the parts air dry. Now you can dust off the inside of your machine using a paintbrush. Go from top to bottom, from the outside to the inside, and don't forget to remove any residues that's going to fall down at the bottom of the machine. Get the new waste bin bag in place on the funnel. Install the funnel on its support. When you put the liquid basket back inside the machine, make sure that you take the float out of the way. Insert the waste basket or the liquid basket inside and drop the float down over. Once the parts are dry, reinstall the drip tray and make sure it clips before you install the drip down underneath. Wipe the exterior of the canisters before reinstalling them inside the machine. Reinstall one canister after the other and make sure that you push the elbows down into the bowls so as to open the way for the whipper bowls. After installing the bean canister, make sure to open the green flap underneath to allow coffee beans to be dispensed properly. Now that the canisters are back inside the machine, swing the cup receptor assembly closed, insert the yellow service key inside the machine. This will restart the machine, and while the machine reboots, just make sure to finalize the cleaning of the inside of the machine. Now ready to do a rinse. To do the rinse, make sure that the door stays open and do not hit the service key. We are now ready to do a rinse. Go into the service mode, type in your password, and on the dashboard select complete rinse. Leave the door open so as to see what's happening inside and let the machine cycle.
Once completed, close the door, the screen will reboot. You are now done with the daily cleaning actions to perform on your machine. Here are the cleaning procedures to perform on a weekly basis.
First, you'll need to unlock the door and then swing open the cup distributor assembly. Next step will be to remove each canisters from the inside of the machine, except for the sugar canister. Note that you must lock each canister one by one before pulling the canisters out. Next step, remove the liquid bin out. And also remove the solid waste adapter and bag.
Empty the liquid bin. Rinse the bin under hot water and wash it with soft soap if needed. Brush the waste bin funnel under hot water to remove any residues. Let air dry completely before reinstalling it.
Now you can remove the elbows of the canisters, one at a time. And you need to wash them under hot water.
Use a small brush to remove any residues.
After the cleaning has been done, let the parts air dry before putting the elbows back on the soluble canisters.
Once completely dry, reassemble the soluble elbows and reinstall each one of them on their canisters. Clip the new waste bin bag in place on the funnel. Install the funnel on its support.
When you put the liquid basket back inside the machine, make sure that you take the float out of the way. Insert the waste basket or the liquid basket inside and drop the float down over it. Reinstall one canister after the other and make sure that you push the elbows down into the bowls so as to open the way for the whipper bowls.
After installing the bean canister, make sure to open the green flap underneath to allow coffee beans to be dispensed properly. Clean the brew group using the appropriate product. Follow the instructions of the manufacturer.
If you go into service mode, press on the Necta icon long enough so as to get the prompt to enter the password.
Click on Espresso Rinsing. Make sure to perform multiple rinses after cleaning the brew group with tablets. On a weekly basis, inspect all the canisters, whipper bowls, elbows, and every other components. If you find any obstructions, parts that might be broken or not working properly, contact your service provider. Close the door of the brewer. You have now completed the weekly maintenance of your machine.